Go and subscribe and give me notification bell so that you get notified. God bless you, my people. Today topic na about Mercy Johnson. Hey, look at the lovely kills. Look at the beautiful kiss with Mercy Johnson bring come this world. Like seriously, I really dey proud of her. I really like, as in I too dey proud of Mercy Johnson. Really, now my role model. I too love her because you know, really like easy because say all those our celebrity, they not the one born many, they just born two, born one. So not go so not one born join am again. But the way Mr. Johnson they hello the children, I beg Mr. Johnson, you too much. I too love you really. Look at the lovely kiss. I really have to celebrate her really because it's not really easy. Look at the beautiful kiss. 4 kiss, when Mercy Johnson they talk say more are still coming, people they say may you take am easy, now only you one, how you go just the boom boom. I come they say but now husband she get right to born many, she get right to even born 10, no concern anybody. Not be Europe dey o, dey Nigeria wey be say husband mama dey there, husband papa dey there, so they fit take care of her. She not go even do anything, only to just bring the children come this world. It not be like Europe where be say you will come born, only you want to come to do everything. No. She dey husband house, so na not expect her. May she not born for your husband now. If person don't marry now, to they born for your husband now. I really dey happy for her. I really dey proud of her because it's not really like, it's not easy because so many people not even expect Mercy Johnson to go even born for this husband. But see her today now 4 kids. I really celebrate you and I'm so happy for you. I'm so proud of you. I love you so much. I really love you. Thank you, everybody. And I will put the picture so that one see lovely kids. See that's in, I beg you too much, Mercy Johnson. You too much. I love you so much. Bye, everybody. Bye. Wanna join me celebrate her? I beg. Wanna join me celebrate Mercy Johnson Okoje.
I am sorry about that. I just got too angry because that's what happens.
Right? You want to be in my special lane? Don't cry, my little baby, my little baby. Don't cry, my little baby. Don't cry, my little baby. Don't cry, my little baby.
Because the baby is here, we have to watch baby cartoon and whatever he wants.
Yeah.
So he's
Mommy,
a baby.
Can we watch
She's
baby?
a baby and she's also cute and she moves.
Mm-hmm.
Bye bye.